Hey freelancers, is messy JavaScript code silently losing you clients? Are you spending hours refactoring spaghetti code when you should be landing your next gig? Well, not anymore. This is AiToolslink, your shortcut to smarter, cleaner code. Today, we're revealing 5 AI tools that'll help you refactor JavaScript like a pro, win more clients, and level up your freelance game. Let's jump in, and don't skip tool 4. That one's a career saver. 1. CodiumAI feature, smart code suggestions and refactoring insights. Benefit: deliver cleaner code and get client praise faster. CodiumAI isn't just another code suggestion tool, it's your AI code reviewer. It analyzes your JavaScript functions, suggests optimizations, and explains the logic like a senior dev whispering in your ear. Real win? One freelancer used it to refactor a legacy Node.js app. Client was blown away, added 3 more projects to the contract. Less clutter, more clarity. That's CodiumAI. 2. Refact AI feature. One-click refactoring with context awareness. Benefit: save hours, boost hourly rate. Refact AI plugs into VS Code and does something magical. Understands your whole code base before making changes. Want to rename variables across files without breaking things? Refact's got your back. You can restructure functions, remove code smells, and even optimize loops with 0 manual cleanup. More speed, more money. One freelancer cut down review time by 40% and landed a retainer deal. That's what we call a win. 3. GitHub Copilot feature, inline code improvement suggestions. Benefit: refactor while you build. You've heard of GitHub Copilot, but did you know it helps you refactor as you write? It watches your code, flags inefficient blocks, and offers cleaner, faster versions in real time. Perfect for freelancers juggling multiple projects, because cleaner code, fewer bugs, faster deploys, and happier clients. One dev used Copilot to revamp an e-commerce checkout script and got a 5-star review within hours. Seriously, don't sleep on Copilot. 4. ChatGPT plus code. Interpreter, advanced data analysis. Feature: natural language refactoring and performance advice. Benefit: refactor with AI that understands you, don't skip tool. 4. ChatGPT with code interpreter isn't just for chat, it's your refactor consultant. Drop your messy JS file in and say, refactor this for readability and performance. Boom! Optimized code with comments and context. Even better, you can ask it why it made those changes and how to improve further. It's like having a senior dev on speed dial. One freelancer refactored a 2K-line React app with ChatGPT, cut bugs by half, and the client offered a bonus on the spot. 5. Sourcery feature, AI-powered code review and automatic improvements. Benefit: instantly boost code quality and trust Sourcery scans your JavaScript and auto-generates better function structures, refactors async calls, and even suggests modern syntax upgrades. It's built for devs who want to clean up legacy projects without breaking things. Clients love when your commits read like poetry, and Sourcery makes it happen. One freelancer used Sourcery on a legacy AngularJS app. Client said, "This code finally makes sense. You're hired full-time." Yeah, that's the dream. Thanks for watching AiToolslink. If these tools helped you refactor smarter, hit that subscribe button. We drop weekly AI tips just for freelancers like you. Got a JavaScript struggle you're stuck on? Comment below, and we might feature it in the next video. And remember, clean code isn't just nice. It's your ticket to more gigs, better clients, and higher pay. Catch you in the next one.